ended up in Miami. Weren't you just in Trinidad? Yes, I was just in Trinidad this morning. Now I'm at Miami. We finna do Houston, Atlanta, Vegas. We was just in Vegas. Now we in Atlanta. Let's go.
Flashback.
I'm not gonna be out here for too long. I really just wanted to like come out to show like, you know, I've been here before. And it's a crazy thing because like I'm just getting straight off a plane, straight here, straight back on the plane, straight out again. Long turnarounds, but hey, it's a blessing. Life is a blessing. So, but look at Miami. Hope y'all enjoying it. The Solace point of view. We always having a good time. I'm here with.
It's your boy Bruce. You can follow me. You can catch me on the gram at Money Making Bruce.
Money Making Bruce. Money Making Bruce. Where are we right now?
We're in Miami.
We in Miami. We in Miami. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I ain't gonna lie. Now I'm here on a layover, so I was like, "Fuck, it, I'm gonna explore the city."
For sure.
Yeah, but I ain't gonna lie. I was fucking with the shirt. The shirt is crazy. I was gonna ask if you could give us a fit check real quick.
So let's look at you. The shirt. Got it from Pat Son. Jeans, shorts, Pat Son.
Fire.
Forces, Nike.
That
From Status Jeweler.
was a classic. You gotta go Forces. Yeah.
Forces, a classic.
Oh, the watch? Really? People watch.
From Status.
Yeah, that's tough. I appreciate you. Hey, tap in with you. Where they get tap in again?
They catch me on Instagram at Money Making Bruce.
Money Making Bruce, for sure. Appreciate you, bro.
Yeah.
I'm here with.
Hey. Renee.
And where are we?
Miami, Florida.
Are y'all from Miami? Y'all just kicking it? Where y'all from?
Vacation.
Y'all on vacation. Where y'all from?
Louisiana.
Oh, okay. I love New Orleans. I love Louisiana. So I was just there a few months ago. So yeah. I had a conference there. Y'all be having a whole bunch of conferences. So.
I don't know nothing about that.
But y'all know how to have a good time too. So I appreciate that.
Yeah.
How y'all enjoying vacation? Y'all having a good time?
It's hot, but it's good.
Yeah. Yeah, y'all tats are fire. I ain't gonna lie, I ain't even see both of y'all but got fire
Thank you.
tats. Yeah, but y'all having a good time. Okay, what would y'all rate Miami out of 10?
So far, I rated a 7.5. Yeah, we didn't get to all the activities yet, so
Seven
it
point
might raise up a little bit.
7.5. Okay. So what's better, Louisiana or Florida?
Louisiana.
Louisiana.
I'm gonna stick beside myself, y'all.
Okay, I agree with y'all. I'm from Milwaukee.
From Milwaukee,
Yeah.
some crazy stuff be happening over there.
It do be some crazy stuff, but the world a crazy place.
Yeah.
But it's some great stuff going on. I say it's New Orleans, Milwaukee, Miami.
You put Milwaukee before
Yeah,
Miami.
yeah.
Stick beside your city.
Of course.
Stick beside your city.
Yeah, but it's great to meet y'all. I hope y'all enjoy the rest of y'all vacation.
That's nice to meet you.
Yeah. Listen. I love Miami, and I want to go again, and I want to come some more because it's not the same. Times change. Oh, why the times change? She don't want to go no more.
A few moments later, 2,000 years later.
Yo, what's up, y'all? I don't know if y'all really care about the time I'm spending in Durham because I'm only here for less than 24 hours. But I'm about to go to my favorite spot ever, my favorite place, one of my favorite places, bro. And that's Cookout. If you know me, you know I love Cookout. So I'm about to go walk the Cookout. Me and Kaya, shout out to Kaya, the best photographer, one of the best friends. You know what I'm saying? Just a real stand-up good guy. You know what I'm saying? I'm in town, so she was like, I'm gonna slide back and I'm gonna see you. So that's what's up, bro. Shout out to Kaya. I appreciate Kaya. But yeah, I'm gonna Cookout, dog. And I'm forgetting something. What else am I forgetting? Nothing. Nothing at all. We shot another video that y'all might not get until August. I don't know when y'all getting this video. I ain't gonna lie. I gotta do so much editing. Like, word too. But we gonna get to it, bro. Love you guys. And yeah, let's go get some meat.
Just pumped the air when he said that.
Bro. Y'all gotta come to Cookout, bro. Like, y'all gotta get y'all one of these, like. Bro, this nigga always trying to be in the bed, bro. Like, this nigga always trying to squeeze in the video, trying to stick in after you done talk so crazy. I know what this mean now.
Okay, now stop doing it.
Alright, y'all. I don't need no help. I'm all good. But I tried something new. It's watermelon shake. I'm not really a big fan. But it's alright. If it's your cup of tea, my go-to. I like the chocolate chip cheesecake milkshake. It sounds crazy, but where else you gonna get that at? The tray? Ooh. I don't play about Cookout, y'all. I love me some Cookout. But I ain't gonna have my iPad kid. I want to go back home and watch TV. We about to go back home. Shout out to Corn though. He be like, YouTube. Look, I'm not Corn though. I don't got nothing like that. We're gonna do something. Let's go, Kaya.
Recording?
It is recording.
Hey guys, guess who it is? It's me. It's Kaya. I'm at Savion's house, and he's back for one night.
I'm at town.
One night, but you know how to stop by and come see my big booty homeboy.
Bro, what? Cut that. Hell yeah, cut that shit out.
But yeah, we just vibing right now. Showing me some new stuff he got, new clothes, new jackets.
Yeah,
all that good stuff.
I think when I get back, I'm gonna start doing like reels, like pickup lines and stuff like that, like to set y'all up. Probably just in here, real quick videos. Probably gonna just post on it, Instagram and the TikTok. And then also I'm gonna do some fashion breakdowns for y'all for YouTube. So it's not gonna be vlogs, it's gonna be fashion breakdowns. But look at my room though, chat. We back in my room. Like, look at what's going on there. We got Rosa over there. Shout out to Rosa Parks. She said no. She said, nigga, no. I ain't getting up. and now she's an icon. Stand on what you believe in. Stand firm and don't let the opposition move you. That's what I learned from Rosa. We don't talk about bro over there. Shout out to Cardi though. I ain't like y'all YVL. Anyway, y'all done seen my room before, but I could really break down everything, but I ain't gonna break down everything for real. Just endure on for a day. This I don't even know what video this go. Maybe y'all want this in the Brazil vid. Y'all want this in the what vid is y'all want this in the Miami vid?
Take it back to school vid.
Oh, back to school vid? Oh, okay, so it's July right now. Why you lie? It's July. And school don't start until August, but I'm back here. I'm just checking on the crib.
School starts in literally less than a month.
Scary. That's scary. But yeah, this is how my room look right now, but I'm gonna change it. When I get back here again, y'all gonna see, hey, I look tired. I've been traveling a lot, chat. But when I get back in August, y'all gonna see this clip. And then it's gonna be me in August, and then I'm gonna show you how I changed the room. Alright. But before we go, this is how it looks. Oh, you been hearing that? Squiddly boy. How does it go?
I don't know what she's talking about.
She ain't tapped in.
I'm not.
Y'all know what I'm talking about, though. All right, we'll be back in August. Keep recording. Yo, take the wall. Bro, what the fuck's wrong with you, dog? Want to see me touch that wall? Want to see me do it again? You ever seen a dead body? I'm tired of it.
If I had to change it up, then I would. For a house and solo, so fluent, they sit low. I can pop right now, but I need to know you gon' come back to me.